Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bank of America app for secure logins. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Bank of America app installed on your device. Open the Bank of America app by tapping its icon. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your online ID in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. If you have forgotten your online ID or password, tap the appropriate link to recover them. Once you have entered your credentials, tap on the Login button. If this is your first time logging in from this device, you may receive a prompt for additional authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may include receiving a one-time verification code via text or email. Enter the code in the provided field. If you prefer to enable biometric login, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, follow the prompts after logging in. Go to the settings within the app. Look for the option to enable biometric login. Toggle the switch to activate this feature. Once enabled, simply use your fingerprint or face to log in the future. To enhance your security, consider setting up app notifications for account activity. Ensure your device's operating system and the app are always updated to the latest version for optimal security. Your Bank of America app is now authenticated for secure logins. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances securely. Remember to log out of your account when you are finished, especially on shared devices. This completes the tutorial on authenticating with the Bank of America app for secure logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.